Rajiv, I want to get your views in on as far as the batteries go. You're talking about government contributions, subsidies, this, that, and the other. Now, when it comes to EVs and everything I've read, it's always about a chicken and egg situation when it comes to the actual EV and the battery and the charging station. I want to get your views on this. Do you think that India is kind of leading the way when it comes to innovations around batteries, and are we making our mark globally? Whether you have an Amara Raja, which wants to set up $1 billion gig factory, you're hearing some wonderful news from the startup universe about charging in less than 15 minutes, 30% cheaper. There's another one which is not based on lithium or aluminium. There are a lot of innovation that's coming out.
No, pardon me, these are going to be my views, but I do feel that, I think a lot of nations are leading the pack, I would say, when it comes to battery innovation. And overall, as a country, I'm just taking this as a platform to just share my views. Overall, as a country, I think when it comes to material science, specifically as a subject, I think we, not just from a battery perspective, but overall also, I think we have some distance to cover. I think countries like South Korea, countries like Taiwan, and some other Southeast Asian countries do a better job when it comes to material science, where there is a lot of innovation happening on material perspective, not just batteries, but even otherwise. And in India, we do have some players. There are definitely a few players who are doing a lot of innovation on that front. Lithium ion is just one of the types. Let's keep that in mind. I mean, a lot of chemistry combinations are being tried and worked out at the current time. The focus is very simple. The focus is can I strike on a combination or a metal chemistry which can give me a higher life, which is the number of cycles I can charge, recharge, and can it be covering the entire life of a vehicle in some sense? And the second is, can I ensure that the energy density in the battery pack goes up? So that is where a lot of people are focusing, and that's where a lot of chemistry is being tried out. But if it is that, are we really leading the and showing the world the path? I think let's get down to ground and say that yes, we are doing a few things. No doubt, a lot of startups in India are trying to do a few things, but at the same time, there are many other countries where probably we are seeing a lot more happening. I think we need to have more effort going into R&D on the material science space, especially, is my view.